Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about some big money bolos, items to be on the lookout for, items you can buy low and sell high. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. This is my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. Come on over and join it. We talk about all things reselling. At the top of the group, there is a share post. If you'd like to have your bolo featured in a video like this, please share there. You can shout out your social media, or if you're on YouTube, you can put your whatnot or places you sell. Please feel free to do that. It says the first one here says got a bunch of these feathers. Looks like turkey, quail, Central California species. These are feathers. At an estate sale, I had a couple totes worth of stuff and paid about 150 for everything. This lot of feathers sold for 100 in 4 days. There it is. And the next one here is this Avon perfume. And if you don't know, vintage perfume can do very well. I would only list personally the ones that are new in the box. I know there's a lot of rules about this. I know some people say it's okay to list pre-owned. As far as I know, it is not. So I stick with new in the box. This is indeed new with the box. It says, I went to a women's club that helps women. She said, I go every time they have a sale, always donation. Paid 40 for everything. I found a lot of brand new Avon items and sold this one for $39. This one comes from Jolly's Treasure Emporium. And please check out my YouTube channel. If you type in Jolly's Treasure Emporium, I have featured her multiple times. She has a very great store, very diverse. This one, what's neat about this one is the item was stained. She said, I bought this Primal Men's cycling jersey for $1.50 and sold in 1 month for $15. It had a few stains. So sold quick, even with the stains. Do you guys pick up items with stains? Sometimes you get them home and you're like, oh, it has a stain. You try to clean it. It doesn't clean. What do? You know, you can donate it or you can take a chance and list it. This one had a really unique print. So it looks like she still was able to sell it. This one, she is the baby blanket selling machine. That's what I'm going to call her. Jolly's Treasure Emporium, the baby blanket selling machine. This girl sells baby blankets like it's, I don't know. I don't even know. She bought this one for $2 and it's been listed for 8 months, but she sold this Gymboree baby blanket for $69. You go, girl. All right. The next one says Ralph Lauren Crystal Glen Plaid Clear Goblet. She said, I bought 4 of these Ralph Lauren glass goblets, and the same person ended up buying all of them from me. I listed them real high, sold this one for $95, paid $1 each at the Goodwill. And she said, thank you so much for sharing my items and yours and everyone else. Yes, thank you for sharing. We love to see your items. But she listed it for $250, took an offer for $95, but she bought a bunch of them, and I think that was her last one to sell. All right, check this one out, guys. This is crazy. I got to scroll back up here because things got all mixed up. So I've got things from different areas here. So bear with me. This one is a good one if you know about these type of things. This one would be hard for me, but my husband could definitely move something like this. Paid $50. I got 2 of them. So I think $50 each. And this one sold for $649. It's a Ready Brute Elite RV tow bar with integrated Ready Brake surge braking system. Whatever all that means. But it sold for $649. So that is a nice profit. So all you men out there, or even women that know about this type of thing, that's a bolo. The next one is this Sony KV9PT50 9-inch Trinitron CRT color TV retro gaming. Paid $10 for this and sold it for $199. It did have free shipping on it. Did this one have free shipping? It doesn't say. This one had free shipping. This one is an LZRZ. Oh man, LZR7 ultra bright red near infrared light therapy. Paid $10 for this one and sold it for $699.99. So let's see. It says first time sharing stuff. Store is guffs.goods. GUFFS.goods. Some bolos I forgot to post a while ago. Red light something skincare, got it for 10. The Corvette exhaust. Have we done that one? Here's the Corvette exhaust. Is aftermarket. Got it at a rummage for $40. He said his wife was yelling at the wife was yelling at the husband as he helped me load it. So 40 into 550. Wonder what she was yelling about. Maybe that he sold it for $50 and it was worth 550. He said CRT TVs. I sell about 40 a year. Things to look for: Sony, Toshiba, RCA, true flat, anything with a flat screen, anything with extra hookups, either on front or back. If it just has coaxial, that's tougher. DVD or VCR combos do great. Use keyword countertop on one's 13-inch to sell faster. Nice tips. Thanks for sharing. This is another one of the TVs. This one sold for $498. Wow. Said he sells about, what did he say, 40 a year? Wow. I've never even seen one of those, I don't think. All right, so this one is a found at a garage sale a few months ago, paid $3 and sold it for $90.95. eBay store is Treasures and Wishes. It's a Hobo International double frame Loren Ivy green clutch. So there is that one. Let's go on to this next one here. Like I said, I'm jumping around a little bit, so thank you for your patience. And this one says, almost there. Found these quote pieces in an OKC bins. They were scattered in about 8 different bins, but I grabbed them all. Paid about 80 cents for all of them. Sold on eBay in about a week for full asking price of $84.98. And this comes from the Okie Picker. Yeah, so these are for quilting. Pretty cool, right? The next one is this Gold Collection Dimensions. If you can find Gold Collection, a lot of times the Gold Collections go for more. Sold for almost $55. Cheap to ship. Cross-stitch kits, especially the Gold Collection. Picked up 5 or 6 kits for $1 each at a church rummage. eBay store is Flipping Tommy. And yep. There you go, guys. Look them up if you see them. This is a vintage Cannon Mills Winnie the Pooh and Friends satin edge blanket. Another blanket seller. Oh my goodness. Found this at the OKC bins. Paid 70 cents. Sold in 3 days on Poshmark. Comps are higher, but since the buyer sent a great message that she was going to surprise her daughter with the blanket from her childhood, she took the offer for 120. So, again, getting your items on different platforms, more eyes on your items. I'm on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and whatnot. And I list all my items to the buy it now. And I sell items every week from all the different platforms. So I use List Perfectly. I've been using it since 2019. I do have a referral link down below that you can use to get 30% off your first month if you would like to try it. BoloBuddies is the code, and the link is down below. So definitely check out that referral link if you're thinking about cross-posting. But before you do that, I have some tutorials that you guys can use to check out if List Perfectly is a good fit for you. I love it and definitely highly recommend it. This next one is Strictly IC Magazine, lot of 41 issues spanning from volume 1 to volume 7, number 42. Got a huge haul of free magazines at a yard sale. This batch sold for $375.38 after 6 weeks. They're about building miniature, working internal combustion engines. Wow. That's crazy. And the last one is this 1960s Cal Themes Monkey Chimp Oily Jiggler Set Hanging Gold Mom Babies. All right, so there's your keywords. Look at this. I thought it was jewelry at first. No, they're little, you jiggle them and they wiggle. They jiggle and wiggle. I found a box of 10 of different oily jigglers for $5. I listed 2 of the monkey chains for $125 and sold one within an hour of listing it. I sold 2 other jigglers within a couple hours for $75 each. I just sold another one yesterday. I have watchers on the others. They are great. They are rubber toys by Russ, and they're from the 70s. What on earth? That is a fabulous, most unexpected find of the video. Thank you all for sharing. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And come share your unexpected big money or fast sale in the Bolo Buddies Facebook group. Thank you guys so much for being here, and thanks for watching.